Hello my people, my name is Dami. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make bleach, popularly known as hypo. But before we proceed to the video, let's be aware of the safety precautions to take during production.
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue.
In this video, we'll be making 10 liters of bleach. Here is our chlorine, 250 grams for 10 liters of bleach. Chlorine is one of the chemicals used for bleach. And here is our caustic soda, 150 grams for our 10 liters of bleach. And here is our soda ash, 250 grams for the 10 liters of bleach production.
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
And the good part of it is that you can pour every all the chemical in no particular order. You can decide to pour everything in as at once. Just make sure to stir very well and leave for 12 to 24 hours. This is my after 12 hours. Then I will sieve out the clear parts. Another sweet part of making bleach is that the residual is not a waste. But before I tell you what you can make of it, please subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. Please encourage me to bring more of my skills and knowledge to you. Back to the settled part of the bleach. You can sun dry it and make and use it as spot scrub, called popularly known as Vim. And that will be all for today. See you next time. Bye.